Hi, today I'm for the Samsung Galaxy A23 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the power key button scanner on the right side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device less than in just the second. This is the good result for the fingerprint unlock method. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.